Today we're going to be making a martini with one of my favorite ingredients, matcha. Matcha has a very earth tone, very clean taste, earthy flavor to it. So to combat that, I am going to use a little bit of the Canton ginger, which has vanilla, which is sweet, coconut milk, which is sweet, and a little bit of amaretto to balance out the earthiness, the sweetness, with a little bit of a nutty flavor as well. To start, we're going to go ahead and pour 2 ounces of Canton ginger liqueur. Then we're going to do 1 ounce of gin, 1/4 ounce amaretto. Now for the matcha, what I made was 1 teaspoon of matcha powder with 1 ounce of water. And then you're going to go ahead and use 2 ounces of coconut milk. Once you have all the ingredients in the shaker, secure the shaker, and then shake it till you make it. Once you're done, bring out a cup. Go ahead and pour everything out. Nice green color there. Okay. And I also created in advance before this, I created a matcha foam infused with the Canton ginger as well. I'm going to go ahead and shake the canister a little bit and then gently try to apply the foam. Perfect. And now you have this nice matcha ginger foam on top. And then you're going to take a little pinch of nutmeg and just sprinkle it on the top as well. Now, this is definitely one of my favorite martinis to date. I definitely love it, but my opinion obviously does not matter because I'm a little biased to myself. So to give her honest critique of this drink, I'd like to introduce you, Maria.
Matcha. That's not my favorite thing to do, by the way.
Yeah,
it's earthy, and to be honest, I don't like matcha. I really don't. Let me try this.
We like the pickle juice.
I do.
Go ahead.
Well, people like what they like.
Yeah,
But
true.
taking it from the earthiness that it's supposed to be like, it still tastes earthy. But you know what? Once you mix it up and the way that he did it, I can drink this. I can drink this. I will.
I got sunglasses on. Is it a little too bright in here?
No.
Oh, okay, there you go.
I will drink this. Here we go.
Good?
No, I don't want to. No. I'll drink this.
Actually,
no. No.
All right, there you have it. Another good review from the critique master, Maria. If you want to see more drinks like this, like and subscribe to my channel. Also DM me for some ideas, and I'll go ahead and make a drink catering to your ideas.